Hello and welcome to our instructional video on reducing a rational expression to its lowest terms. In this video, we will be focusing on simplifying the expression x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 3. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a clear understanding of how to simplify this expression and reduce it to its simplest form. Let's get started on solving this problem step by step. To solve the problem, reduce the rational expression to lowest terms. X squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 3. We need to simplify the expression by factoring. Step 1. Begin by factoring the numerator, which is the top part of the fraction. The expression in the numerator is x squared plus 5x plus 6. We need to find two numbers that multiply to 6 and add up to 5. These numbers are 2 and 3, because 2 times 3 equals 6, and 2 plus 3 equals 5. So, we can rewrite the numerator as x plus 2 times x plus 3. Now, the expression looks like this. X plus 2 times x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. We have rewritten the problem into a form where it is easier to see common factors that may cancel out. Step 2. Now that we have factored the numerator, observe that both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction have a common factor, which is x plus 3. When a fraction has the same factor in both the numerator and the denominator, those factors can be cancelled out. So, in this case, x plus 3 in the numerator cancels out with x plus 3 in the denominator. After cancelling out the common factor, the expression simplifies to x plus 2. Now we have reduced the original rational expression to its lowest terms. So, x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 3 simplifies to x plus 2. This is the final step.